The minister, Wike, warns that the administration will not tolerate nothing like contract variation. He assured the contractors that nobody will owe a dime, as they expected to finish within the time agreed upon. He also warned the permanent secretary in the administration, Mr. Olushade Adesola, not to bring any paper asking for reconsideration or a file for unanticipated issues, saying that everything has been considered and anticipated.
And let me warn the permanent secretary, one of that, don't ever you bring me any paper to say, look, we didn't consider this. Everything has been considered. Do you understand me? Everything has been what? Considered. So don't come and bring me file. Oh, we did not anticipate. Everything has been anticipated here. So we are paying you your money, and I assure you nobody will owe you a dime.
The minister urged residents to support the contractors to enable them finish the job on time, adding that no development comes without some pains. While he solicited the support of traditional rulers to ensure that the youth and all residents of the community support the contractors to deliver the job on time, he thanked the chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council, Mr. Christopher Maikalangu, for publicly declaring the area council chairman's decision to work with the FCT administration for the interest of FCT residents.
This thing too, and I will be patient. Traffic will come more now, so they start this work. But now for the temporary, not be so. Person when one better, you go suffer small. Not be so. The suffer no be for permanent. Now temporary, we're gonna just try. Within the next 6 months, we don't finish them. We go another area. Already have been. And I will support us at all. And I agree support us.
Earlier, the Minister of State, FCT Dr. Mariha Mahmoud, said the administration has recorded significant achievements in transforming the capital city barely 3 weeks. On his part, Mr. Ahmed Hadi, Secretary, Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA, pointed out that a substantial number of the roads in Phase 1, developed since the 1980s, have deteriorated. Hadi said that the project would involve sacrifications and removal of the existing asphalt in some locations, while in the other places it would be asphalt overlay. According to him, the 135 roads in Wuse, Garaki, some areas in Maitama and Asokoro would be involved, covering 42 kilometers. Naomi Omasho, reporting for BTV News.